Bulova Men's Classic Two-Tone Stainless Steel 3-Hand Automatic Watch, Skeleton Dial Style. From the Bulova Men's Classic collection, inspired by vintage design, our classic watches achieve a tailored understand look and features self-winding movements that are powered by the motion of your wrist. In stainless steel with silver tone and gold tone finish, black outer dial, open skeleton inner dial, flat mineral glass, fold over closure with pushers, safety bar and extenders, and exhibition case back.